24th question. Have patience. This is a little bit lengthy question. It's example 24. But once you solve it, it will clear lot of fundas. Okay. So see here, they're saying there is a line such that it's a segment between this line and this line is bisected at this point. So we have to read the question carefully and we have to plot the diagram. Instead of making a rough sketch, I will try to make an accurate diagram for this, because we have to see where this point is, right? So they are saying this is your first line, 5x minus y plus 4 is 0. So can I write 5x minus y is minus 4? Now to plot, we always make a small table, x and y, guys, and we take first x0 and then we take y0. Okay, so if I take x0, you put 5 into 0 minus y is minus 4, correct? So minus y is minus 4, so that means y is 4. So I will put here. Now in the same equation, I will put y is equal to 0. So let me put y 0. So 5x minus 0 minus 4. So x is minus 4 by 5. Okay. Which is this. So I got an idea where is my line, guys. Okay. So my line, if this is x-axis and this is y-axis, so I got an idea. First point is 0, 4. So I can write 1, 2, 3, 4. Suppose here 1, 2, 3, 4. And here is minus 4 by 5 and 0. So I am just showing roughly. Suppose my point is here. So this is 0, 4 means it is on y-axis here. And second point is minus 4 by 5, 0. It's somewhere here, minus 4 by 5, 0. So I got these 2 points. So that means, guys, my line is something like this. Understood? So this is my first line. First line, which is this one. This is my first equation. Now similarly, I will try to say where is the second line. So let me plot it. So this is, let me see, this is 3x plus 4y is equal to 4. Now I will make a small table for this. Suppose this is x, y. So first I will put x0. So if I put x0, so 3 into 0 plus 4y is 4. So this is 0, 4, 4 cancel, y is 1. So I got 1. Now I will put y0 here. So 3x is equal to 4 because this became 0. So x is 4 by 3. So I got an idea that where is my line. So my line is 0, 1, first point. So 0, 1 is here, guys. If x part is 0, it has to be on y-axis. So it is somewhere here, 0, 1. And second point is 4 by 3. 4 by 3 is positive value, remember. So this point will be, say, somewhere here, 4 by 3, 0. So I got this point and this point. So where will be the line, guys? It looks like the line will be something like this, right? Can you plot it? So I got an idea that these 2 lines, which is second line, let me write down. This is 3x plus 4y minus 4 is 0. This one, second line. And the first one is 5x minus y plus 4 is 0. They are saying a point 1, 5. So where will be 1, guys? 1 will be, say this is 4 by 3. 1 will be way ahead, right? Somewhere here. So here, somewhere here. So they are saying there is a line segment between these 2 lines. See, a line segment between those 2 lines. So if these are the lines, see, between lines means, suppose these are the 2 lines. So line segments between these 2 lines are many. This is a one line segment, second line segment, third line segment. There can be thousands of line segments between these 2 lines. Out of them, we have to take the one for which the midpoint, see, they are saying that segment is bisected at point this. Obtain that equation of the line. So that is bisected at 1 comma 5 means that is the midpoint of this segment, and find out the equation of this line. Okay, so I am just guessing. Suppose, see, there will be thousands possible segments. Out of that I am just randomly taking, say that line segment is this between lines, and here is the midpoint which is 1 comma 5. They are saying, right? So basically my drawing is not perfect because I'm not using scale. 1 comma 5 should be somewhere above, okay, but we will still be able to get the answer. So this is the line segment, okay. Suppose this is P and this is Q. So they are interested to get the equation of this line. The problem is we know only one point. See, equation ke liye we need two things. One is the point and one is the slope. There is no way that we can find out the slope because no angle is given of this segment. They have not given any angle information between this line, this segment, or this line or this segment. So it's pretty hard to get the slope. But there are chances that we can get these points. Suppose this is alpha 1 or beta 1, and suppose this point is alpha 2 and beta 2. So we will try to find these 2 points or any one of them. Second point is provided. Using that we will find the equation of line. Okay, let's see the procedure how to find alpha 1 beta 1 and alpha 2 beta 2. First thing I can see clearly, guys, that alpha 1 and beta 1 is present on this line, right? So this will satisfy this equation. So let me write down 5 alpha 1 minus beta 1 plus 4 is 0. Okay, or I can write beta 1. See, if I take beta 1 there is 5 alpha 1 plus 4. This is my first equation I got by putting it here. Now alpha 2 beta 2 is on this line, correct? It is present on this line also, but I don't know the equation. This I know. So alpha 2 beta 2 will satisfy this equation. So let me put it there. 3 alpha 2 4 beta 2 minus 4 is 0. Okay, now let me take 4 beta 2 is 4 minus 3 alpha 2. Okay, so now what will I get? Can I write beta 2 is equal to 4 minus 3 alpha 2 by 4. This is beta 2. I can write equation number 2. So beta 1 and beta 2 I got in terms of alpha 1 and alpha 2. But I am still not able to get alpha and alpha 2. So I need to think of something. Guys, this is given. This is the midpoint of this segment. If this is midpoint, so clearly alpha 1 plus alpha 2 should be 1 by 2, sorry. And beta 1 plus beta 2 by 2 should be 5. Okay, so there are chances that I am getting one more equation. What equation I am getting? That alpha 1 plus alpha 2 by 2 is 1. Okay, which I can say alpha 1 plus alpha 2 is 2. Okay, here beta 1 plus beta 2 by 2 I am getting is 5 because beta 1 plus beta 2 is second coordinate, which is 5. So which I can write is beta 1 plus beta 2 is 10. Okay, this. I am still very far from alpha 1, alpha 2 values. But I know beta 1 is in terms of alpha 1 and beta 2 in terms of alpha 2. So one equation is pure alpha 1, alpha 2. One more equation I will try to get in terms of alpha 1 and alpha 2 by putting beta 1 and beta 2 here in this equation. I hope you are getting my point. So what I am doing here is, guys, I will put this. You can see here beta 1 plus beta 2 is 10, and what is my beta 1 is 5 alpha 1 plus 4 plus this 4 minus 3 alpha 2 by 4 is 10. Multiply whole equation by 4 to simplify it into 4, right? Why? To get rid of this. Now this is 20 alpha 1 plus 4 4s are 16. This is plus 4 minus 3 alpha 2 is 40. So this is this minus this. So 20 alpha 1 minus 3 alpha 2. This is 20. So 40 minus 20 is 20. So I am getting 20 alpha 1 minus 3 alpha 2 is 20. This is my second equation. And first equation that I was getting pure in alpha 1 plus alpha 2 was alpha 1 plus alpha 2 is 2. Guys, now it's your job to solve. Suppose this is 3 and this is 4. To solve these two equations to get alpha 1 and alpha 2. Okay, I have done in rough work and I got it 26 by 23 and alpha 2 20 by 23. Please pause video and try it. You will get it. Once you know alpha 1 and alpha 2, there is no need to calculate beta 1 and beta 2 because alpha 1, beta 1 is 1 point. Alpha 1 and alpha 2 are not going to help. We need alpha 1 and beta 1. So we need beta 1 also. So it's fine. We know the value of beta 1. Okay. So beta 1 is 5 alpha 1 plus 4. Okay. So I will put the value here and guys, beta 1 I am getting 222 by 23. Okay. So once you know alpha 1, beta 1, I can just put it in the equation of line. Why? Because I know alpha 1, beta 1 and I know this point. Okay. So let me write the value of alpha 1 and beta 1. Alpha 1 is 26 by 23 and beta 1 is 222 by 23. So having these 2 points, it's easy to find the equation of line. Okay. So let me write down equation of line. So what is equation of line, guys? Equation of line is if 2 points are given 1, 5, 26, 23, 222 by 23. If these 2 points are given, equation is y minus y1, y2 minus y1, x2 minus x1, x minus x1. Okay. Here you already know the values of x1, y1 and this is x2, y2. If you fit the values of these everything into this equation, you will end up having, please try it, 107x minus 3y minus 92 is 0. This is my final answer. I hope you understood. Okay, so here is the question. Show that path of a moving point such that its distance from these 2 lines, so these are the 2 lines, are equal is a straight line. So suppose there are 2 lines. Okay, so one line is this. There could be any 2 lines. First line is 3x minus 2y is 5 and this is 3x plus 2y is equal to 5. So we have to see the path of point. See, suppose this is point. This is at equal distance from here and here also. If I take any point here, this is also equal distance from here also and here also. I'm taking like perpendicular distance. Suppose I take next point here. So this distance and this distance is equal. If I take one more point, this distance and this distance is equal. Means if this is D1, this is D1. If this is D2, this is D2. If this is D3, D3. If this is D4, D4. What I mean to say is the path of the points which are at equal distance from these 2 lines, you have to prove is a straight line. You can see on your own, if I join the path of this point is nothing but it looks like a straight line. But now I have to prove it mathematically. Okay. So what I will do, I will assume that this point at one point is h comma k, the general point. So I will take a distance of hk from this line and hk from this line and I will prove that they are, I will say that they are equal and see what conclusion we will get. So you remember, if there is a line ax plus by plus c from any point, say hk, if you have to take a distance d, so how it is given? D is given as this h and k we put in the equation. So I put ah plus bk plus c by under root of a square plus b square mod. That's how we find the distance between a point and a line. Okay, instead of x I am putting h, instead of y I am putting k. Okay, so I will use it here. Okay, so what is this distance? Say d1 from this line. I will just put hk in this. So it will be 3h minus 2k minus 5. Okay, this line I am writing in this way. This line I have to write this way. 3x minus 2y minus 5 is 0 because I need this standard form, this one. So I am writing this form, divided by root of a square plus b square, the coefficients of x and y, right? Which is 3 square plus 2 square mod. So this is my d1 from this line, the distance from this line and this point. Now this is the other distance, which I am also thinking is d1. Both are equal. So this is also the distance from this point to this. So I will put hk in this line. So 3h plus 2k minus 5 by under root of 3 square plus 2 square mod. I hope you understood. This line, before putting in this formula, we have to write in this form. 3x plus 2y minus 5 is 0. So n I am using it here. Now I know these distances have to be equal because I have to find the path of h and k. I am putting this is equal to this. Okay, so let me put it here. So I am writing 3h minus 2k minus 5 by root of 3 square plus 2 square is 9 plus 4 mod is equal to 3h plus 2k minus 5 root of 9 plus 4. Both side inside mod, both these terms are equal. So I can cancel it and I am getting this. So mod of this is equal to 3h plus 2k minus 5. Whenever there are both side mod, to remember what do we do? If you have mod of x is equal to mod of y, so how do we remove? Either x will be equal to y or x will be equal to minus y. So we get two solutions. So I will do it here. So you can write first 3h minus 2k minus 5 is 3h. I'm sorry, it was minus 2k plus 2k minus 5. Either this is first equation, okay, or I will get 3h minus 2k minus 5 is minus of 3h plus 2k minus 5. So from here I will get one conclusion from here, and we have to see. So both side this cancels and this cancels, and this is 2k and minus 2k. So this will go there. So it will be 4k 0, which is nothing but k is equal to 0. Okay. Now from here let's see what we will get. This is 3h minus 2k minus 5 is minus 3h minus 2k plus 5. So I think 2k will cancel. 3h will go here and this here. So it will be 6h is equal to 10. So I can cancel 2 3s are 5s are. I am getting h 5 by 3. And what was the point, guys, was h comma k. So h for the path, or you can say locus, this is nothing but representing x and y. If you have to find a locus of any point, assume the point hk in the beginning. In the end, you replace it by x and y to see the path. Okay. So my k will become y is equal to 0. So this is the path equation. This is path equation. And second, I'm getting only h, which is x is equal to 5 by 3. This is another path equation. So they were asking to prove that the equation of the path which is equal, a point which is equal distance from these two is a straight line. So I have to see whether it is a straight line or not. So this is y is equal to 0. So don't you think y is equal to 0 as straight line? Yes. Why? Because y is equal to 0 is nothing but x-axis. So that path of the point is nothing but x-axis. So yes, it is a straight line. Okay. Now x is equal to 5 by 3. So whenever there is a line x is equal to something, it comes always parallel to y-axis. Okay. So this line is nothing but this. X is equal to 5 by 3. And this line is nothing but y is equal to 0. So either this is the path or this will be the path. And both are straight lines. So hence proved. It's nothing but straight lines. Okay. Hey guys, today we will be solving question number 1 from miscellaneous exercise straight lines. Please make sure you have watched all the previous videos before you proceed with this one. Here is the question. Find the value of k for the given equation if it is parallel to x-axis. Okay. So I will give you one information, guys. If this is your coordinate system, if any line is parallel to x-axis here or here, so its slope is always 0. If any line is parallel to y-axis here, here or here, anywhere, so the slope of these lines are infinity. Please keep that in mind. Horizontal lines, slope 0. Vertical lines, slope is infinity. Okay. So now they are saying this line should be parallel to x-axis. That means the slope of this line should be for sure 0. And guys, if you remember, I told you if you have ax plus by plus c is equal to 0, the slope of this line is given as minus a by b. Okay, minus a by b. So if I compare it with this equation, so my a is k minus 3, you can see that, and b is minus of 4 minus k square, which is k square minus 4. So I will simply put it here. Okay, so my slope will be minus a by b, so minus of k minus 3 by b, which is this k square minus 4. Now because this is minus, so I will switch the sign, so it will be 3 minus k by k square minus 4. So this is by slope. For case 1, they are saying parallel to x-axis. So in case 1, m should be 0. So that means this should be 0. So I can put 3 minus k square minus 4 should be 0. If this is 0, this will go there. Correct? So what I will get, guys? 3 minus k is 0, which means k is 3. This is my first answer. Now for b part, they are saying it is parallel to y-axis. Parallel to y-axis means m should be infinity. Okay. So what is my slope equation I got was 3 minus k by k square minus 4. This should be infinity. Any expression is infinity if denominator is 0. So that means k square minus 4 should be 0. So that means k square is 4, which means k is plus minus 2. So b part is done. Now for c part, they are saying it is passing through origin. Line is passing through origin. If any line passes through origin, what happens? This must satisfy the equation of line. Okay, so I will put 0, 0 in my equation of line. So if I put it there, so I will get k minus 3 into 0 minus 4 minus k square into 0 plus k square minus 7k plus 6 is 0. So this is gone. Only this is left. So k square minus 7k plus 6 is 0. Okay. So here 6 I have to factorize in order to get sum. If this plus means sum should be 7. So I am taking as 6 plus 1 because 6 into 1 is 6. So k square minus 6k minus k plus 6. So here k common. So k minus 6, k minus 6. So it is k minus 6 and k minus 1. So if this is the factors, so either k is 6 or k is 1. So this is my answer.